Michael, you brought a flow chart about your morning procedures. Can you tell me about that?
Yes, I can. Well, first we enter the classroom at the beginning of the day. Then we ask you if you have a backpack. If yes, you unpack the backpack and hang it up. Then you go on to the beginning and know. Yeah. Put name up for lunch, sign in, sit down on log, and then sit down on the log and focus on the calendar.
And we're Miss Wolfmuck's probably gonna put a line here so you know what to do after yes. Opposite, like this chart.
Very good. Now, why did you all think that you needed a flow chart for the morning?
Well, because we didn't really know what to do at the beginning of the day. Like first we just sat down on log, then we just forgot to put up our name up for lunch. But then we also forgot to sign in. And we just left our backpacks on the floor.
So using a flow chart really helped you to get things done in the morning.
And you were messing around on the log, and you didn't focus on the calendar.
Okay.
Yeah, and sometimes we forgot that to put our book bags away. We thought it wasn't even on our back when it was.
Okay. Now, Scott, I think you've also brought a control chart.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about the control chart that you brought?
We needed this chart right here because our time was too long at work activity, so we had to get a control chart because while we were going in line at PE, big cleanup had to still be in the room. Too long, and our highest minute of time was 9 and a half. And 9.5, and then we started at 8, and our lowest time was 2 minutes, I think, unless that's a 1.
And so all those numbers tell how long it took you to clean up?
If there's 2, and then this line 1, 2, or like 4, that means like we had 2.5 if it was 2, and then one line 2 right there.
Scott, how did you feel about this day?
Bad.
Why was that a bad day?
Because we don't like our time to be up high, we like it to be low. Okay. Usually we like it to be here, but mostly we want it on the dotted line or we want it under. Not like right here, but it's okay.
And under this.
Yeah, and under this.
What does it mean?
Anywhere near bottom.
What does it mean when it's on the dotted line or close to the dotted line?
Or under? That means we're doing good. If we're under here, we're out of control, but good out of control.
Okay.
And
what if you had a dot way up here?
We would be out of control. If we had to put a dot right up at the top, we would be out of control. That might have took us the whole rest of the day if we did it on work activity. It would take us the whole rest of the day up there.
It sure would. Now, Scott, I understand that you've also written a book that you want to share with us about control charts. Why don't you turn around and face the camera and share your book?
We had to make a control chart because we took too long at cleaning up. Right, and then I got mostly pictures. Each one means like the M is hiding under there. MT means each one, but then after MT, when we go back to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and the other T that's not after the M, that means Thursday. Then Friday, and then we go back to Monday.
Okay.
And then this is another one. We had one that wasn't a dotted line, the other one was a dotted line.
Is it important to the boys and girls in your class that you not get out of control and that you stay within these control limits?
Yep, it is.
Well, thank you for sharing, Michael and Scott.